Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Alrighty, let's take a look at the Lego Friends Autumn's Horse Stable. And we get Autumn and Aliya in this set, and that cute little mouse. Oh, I love that mouse. Anyways, loving the look of this set. We have Autumn's house there in the background. This came out in June. $95 at the Lego store. Target's been having some great sales, $60, so I'm happy. And check out the back. Looks like there's lots of details in this place for a horse stable. We get a checkered table and some hay beds up there. I'm loving the look of this, especially that angled roof. Okay, let's open this up and see what we get. Now we get 6 bags in this set, 545 pieces in total, and a little sticker sheet set. Love the picture there of the house and stable together, and the bedspreads, they look cool. We get 2 instruction booklets, this little one for the little side builds. Oh, there's Autumn. Oh, I like her jacket there. Oh, map. And okay, so Autumn's house looks like it's far away from the horse stable. Well, that doesn't make sense because in the picture there it's quite close. Oh well, in my world it'll be next to it. Let's take a look here and some of those other sets. Cool. I'm looking forward to building this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. Here is Autumn, and I am loving those boots. They look pretty cool. Dark red pants there, and she's got this vesty puffer jacket looking jacket on with some triangles on there. Her little hairpiece, which I adore, and she's wearing a flower this time. And she is going to be holding a carrot because she'll be trying to feed her horse later with it. And you actually get another headpiece with this. Here's the horse riding helmet, and you get a bun hairdo underneath, which I really love. I love how they've included that. And here is Spring, the horse. We get this squishy tail, the head moves. We've got to pop her stomach in. I am loving her eye makeup. She is a beautiful horse. Aliya's here as she loves horses too, and I am loving her outfit. Those sand blue pants with those big boots, they actually look like proper riding boots. Love her top. She gets to put a bow on her hair, and we are going to put her helmet on. So she gets this purple helmet, and she has her hair up in a bun too. She looks stunning. I love Aliya in this set. Another horse, and this time it is Cloud. So her head moves, tail moves. I'm going to pop her belly in, and she's got that hairstyle like Mulan's horse has. So that's cool. She's got little splats there for decoration. And I'm going to pop her reins on. I never get these right, but it worked out for the video for the first time. Woo! They're confusing to put on. There she is. And now the little mouse. Look at this cute little guy. He's gorgeous. I'm going to name him Jerry. Jerry the mouse. Uh-oh, my cat's come along. He wants to make friends with Jerry. And come on, Mickey, we got to go. Don't stand behind him. What are you doing? He is trying to clean him. He is licking him clean. He's made a new best friend with Jerry. Beginning the build with this horse cart. It's going to have very comfy seats there and some big wheels to drive us around the countryside. Need to reverse spring the horse up so we can attach the carriage. Autumn's going to give her a nibble of the carrot, and she's going to ride away. Time to build some horse jumps here. Loving those lime green fern pieces. We get some printed parts that look like wood there. And let's see if cats can jump. This is a little watering station. And the little sloping roof that goes on to match the stable. This is quite a large stable, so we need to fit both the horses in this section. So I've just put the doors in to keep the horses inside. More of those fern pieces, which I love. So this is quite a large set. We're going to pop Cloud in first. This part here is to keep the horse carriage in, and we've got some horse accessories there and the little horseshoes also, so that's where you will be repairing the horseshoes. Loving the stairs going up. This is going to look so good. I love that we've got the same colour scheme from Autumn's house here. We've got a table there with yummy food, and there's that picture of the house and stable together. Gorgeous. I love the sloped shape and angle of this build. It makes it look different. And there's a little pot-belly stove there to keep everyone warm. I love the use of the rounded tiles to make it look like logs to add detail there for the roof. So I'm going to clip that in now. Nice angled roof. Love that we get a printed clock piece, so that goes above the table here. And little Jerry the mouse lives in the roof. He's so cute. I do really like that we get a covered roof for the stable, so no water or anything else will get in. More of those log pieces. Clip it all in. That's looking so good. I'm loving the look of this. Popping in some extra little decorations, and here's one with the horseshoe on there. This is so pretty. We need a tree growing at the side there. It's an apple tree. Weird spot to be growing out of, the stairs, but anyway, I am loving the colour scheme of this set. The Lego Friends Autumn's Horse Stable. I love this set. I love the colour scheme of this. I'm so happy they kept it the same as Autumn's house, so it all ties in together. Beautiful set. Love all the angles they've done on the roof parts and the walls. It just looks really, really nice, even with that tree growing out of the stairs. I'll leave it like that. Looks very natural. Beautiful set, and it goes great with Autumn's house. So, everyone, get your bricks out.